Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to add modes to your WWE 2K23. It is the easiest method and it doesn't matter if you are on version V 1.02 or version 1.22. This method would work with all version. So first of all we need these two files cakehook.dll and modelauncher.exe. Simply copy them and paste it in your WWE game directory. I will attach the link to all these mod files which are required in my description. You can simply download. The next step is to create a new folder in your WWE game directory and name it mods_mods. You can see. Now open it and create a new folder. Name it baked51. I'll create another folder and I'll name it baked52. So I've named it as baked51 as I am using high graphic settings in my WWE game. So I'll be using baked51. If you are on high settings or ultra settings, you can use baked51 and baked52. Meanwhile, and if you are on low graphic settings, you can create folders like baked61 and baked62. Alright, I hope you guys are clear. So now the second thing is we require is mod injector tool. Open it. Go to mods, edit mods folder and simply go to this and find your mods directory. Here you can see it's my mods directory. Select folder. Now I'll select baked51 here. Now in description you can write anything. For example, I will be using baked51 for installing characters and renders. You can use any folder and you can install character or UI or GFX in any of these folders. It doesn't matter. So now I'll select another folder, baked52, and in this folder I'll be adding my GFX and arenas. Now simply go to file and click save. So mods and baked folders are now updated. Click on OK. Back to main menu. Now again go back to your mods folder. Open it, and when you open the folders you can see these folders are auto created by mod injector tool. So it's a very good tool. It makes things more convenient. We doesn't have to install characters manually. It would do automatic. So yeah, back to mod injector tool. So I'll be installing two character modes, CM Punk and Christian Cage. So first of all, we'll go to character, inject a character mode, select base model folder, and now I'm gonna find the folder. There is the character CM Punk. You can see base model. I am choosing CM Punk as one of my subscriber told me to use CM Punk. You can choose anyone. Then we have to, okay. So then there is attire folder. Select attire folder. Back, here is CM Punk. You can see there is the attire. Select folder. Character slot. So the main thing. So I want CM Punk to be in the game instead of X-Pac. I'll be replacing X-Pac with CM Punk. So I clicked on X-Pac, baked folder. I selected characters for baked51. Click on it and click on inject. Yeah, click on inject character. Okay. Now you can see in baked51 characters, CM Punk has been added. Alright. So the another character I would add is Christian Cage. We'll go to Christian. We'll select base model, select folder. We'll go to attire folder. select attire folder and simply go to Christian and select attire. Now I'm gonna replace the prototype with Christian Cage, alright? Because I don't use this player much. So we'll replace him with Christian Cage. Same characters and renders, inject character. Okay, injected. Now we'll check if Christian Cage has been injected or not. Big 51. Characters. Yeah, it has also been injected, guys. You can see. So now characters have been injected. Now I'll show you how to inject GFX or titantrons. So simply go to GFX, inject a GFX mod. You can download GFX from prowrestlingmods.com. I'll add a link in my description, you can check. So we'll go to GFX. First, okay, we'll install Christian GFX. So you can see SS files. We have to select SS files. So SS files are apron, banner, barricade or stage NXT. Okay, so we'll select apron, banner, only these two files, okay. Stage NXT we will add here. You can add here too, but I'll add here, okay. Click on open. You can see selected. Now we have to select the ENT file. You can see here it is, ENT file. Now stage NXT file. Click on open. Simply, so these are Christian GFX and we have replaced the prototype with Christian. So we'll do the same with GFX2. There's a prototype, yes, here it is. So now I'm going to select Bake 52 as I have decided to install my GFX in Bake 52 folder. You can select any, it's totally your choice, guys. Inject GFX. So let's check. Bake 52, movies. You can see these two folders are created. Yes, Christian Cage Titron has been added. Now we'll add one for CM Punk. Select CM Punk, click on apron, banner, barricade, open. The ENT file, select ENT file. It's optional file, guys. Suppose you downloaded a GFX from Pro Wrestling site or any other site and the folder doesn't include these stage NXT files, so you can simply skip it. You can see optional is written here. If the download have the NXT file, you can include it. Otherwise, you can leave it. Now we'll see replace XPack, GFX injected. You can see. Okay, so we have successfully injected characters GFX. Now I'll inject the render. Go to inject a render mode. Select the DDS file. Here you can see CM Punk render. Open. Render slot. We have replaced X-Pac with CM Punk. So I'm gonna select X-Pac. Click on Baked 51. Inject render. Injected. Now I'll select Christian. The prototype. Selected. Inject render. Okay. It's done, guys. It's too easy. You can see renders has also been injected. Oh, I have injected them in Bake 51. Let's see. Yes, you can see that. These two are also injected. Okay, so now we'll simply go to Cake Tools and bake this folder. We'll go to options, set WWE folder. We'll select w2k23.exe, file, bake a folder, select mods, open it, click on baked 51, select folder. Now the main thing, guys, if your graphics settings in WWE 2K23 game is set to high textures, always use slots 51 to 58. Like I have created this mod folder 51, 52, and if I would like to add more mods, I would create like baked 53, 54 till 58, as I am using high graphic settings in my 2K23. And if you are using low graphic settings in your game, so you need to create these folders like baked 61, 62, 63 till baked 68. And in cake tools, you need to set this value to 61 if you are on low graphic setting. As I am on high texture setting, so I'll go with baked 51, click on OK, let it bake. It would take some time. Okay, so directory bit successfully, click on OK. Always click on OK, guys, after the directory has been baked. And make sure you baked each and every folder. On my previous video, 2 or 3 guys comment that we used to select these mods folder and click on this. So this is the wrong way. We need to open the mods folder, click on baked folder. Then in cake index, we have set the value to 52 as I am on high graphic settings. Click on OK. Now let's see if our textures and mod has been installed or not. All right. The next thing is you need to open mod launcher. Click on properties. Click on compatibility and check this disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Apply. OK. Another thing, guys, I want to show you is if you are using high textures in your game, you need to go to documents, WWE 2K23, only if you are using high textures, high graphic settings in game. Open it and please check if this texture quality is set to 1 or not. Sometimes it is set to 0, which is for low-end PC, and our modes are not showing in the game. This is the main reason. Make sure if you are on high graphic setting in game, your texture quality is set to 1. Alright. We'll simply go back. Now we'll run the game and check if our modes are installed or not. So guys, you can see that CM Punk GFX are working. Character was it also work. Let's see. Yes, you can see CM Punk character mod is also working. The reason it is showing the name as XPack is that we haven't edited the name yet. We need to do it with HDB editor. For that, I have made another video. You can check the link in the description. So yeah, CM Punk has been added. Now let's check whether Christian is added or not. So yes guys, Christian Cage has also been added. You can also see that GFX has also been added. It's really simple to add character modes GFX to this game, guys.